Hi my loves! In today's video, I'm showing you my favorite all-natural hair growth treatment that helps your hair grow as fast as overnight, and I'll be showing you step by step. Also, if you're new, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at AnitaSamantha so I can spam your page. And of course, don't forget to hit that bell button and subscribe so you never miss a video, and my beauty hack ebook is always listed below. Now let's get started. I'm going to show you my techniques as well later in this video, but as you guys can see, I have long hair, but it is looking dry and we just want to bring life back into it. So this works for healthiness and hair growth. Before we jump into the kitchen to make this hair mask, I do want to show you today's sponsor, Function of Beauty, which provides amazing shampoos and conditioners with natural, cruelty-free ingredients that you can customize, and your name is actually on the bottle, which is so cute, and you can even choose the color and aesthetic. Now, how it works is you fill out a 2-minute quiz outlining your hair type, your hair goals, personalized preference, and then you choose your color and fragrance and you're good to go. Now, before I show you the DIY treatment, I do want to touch upon that this is paraben, GMO, and toxin-free, also 100% vegan. So after you do a nice natural remedy, it is nice to finish off with something natural as well. And I ended up using my customizable shampoo, the conditioner, and then a little hair treatment after, which I loved, and I will leave the link below so you can get 20% off. Now let's get into the DIY. The first ingredient you'll be needing for our hair growth treatment is some extra virgin olive oil. You guys know I love this for growing long hair. It's amazing for nourishing the scalp and creating longer hair. The second ingredient you'll be needing is an egg. Any egg brand will do. And egg is amazing for applying on the hair. It's so filled with vitamins A, E, biotin, folate, and protein to help strengthen the hair. So you just want to crack one into a bowl and then give it a nice good stir. Now it's time for the olive oil to help nourish and grow the hair. You're going to want to apply 4 tablespoons, and I'll list a few of my favorite alternatives in the description box as well. Then you want to give it a really good stir, and this is important because oil tends to separate from the egg, so you really want to blend it well 2 to 3 times until it's a nice creamy consistency. Now, if you guys hear me say this, comment 2-minute mark in the comment section so I can show you so much love personally, each and every one of you. Now it's time to apply the mixture, and these techniques are so important from this part all the way to the end of the video, because first you have to brush your hair, and if you guys don't do this properly, you're not going to get the best, fastest results. So once you got all the knots out of your hair and everything like that, you want to make sure you apply some gloves. I personally like to. I guess you don't have to, but I do this so I can really scoop out a good amount and apply it in about 1 to 2 inch sections, starting from the bottom, working your way to the middle, and then applying it to the roots. You do not want to forget your roots, since that is where you really want the egg and olive oil to absorb into the scalp, and you don't want to miss the tips because that is where your hair needs the most nourishment and strength so it doesn't continue to split upwards. We want to have nice healthy hair from the root to the tip, so make sure you take your time with this and apply the entire bowl.
Get your heart back, gotta get your love back, you know.
Now, another thing during this process you want to do is really massage your hair in downward motions, like the root area, especially any baby hairs, and by continuously rubbing it in this downward motion, it'll help bond any flyaways. So I always like to take the remainder and then put my hair up and let it sit for about 15 minutes. Your hair is definitely going to be super hard, get super stiff, but that's okay. That means that it is bonding, doing doing what it needs to do, and then we are going to wash this out with some cool, warm water. You do not, I repeat, do not want to use hot water. After rinsing, I like to use about 2 to 3 pumps of a good shampoo because you really want to make sure you get the oil and treatment out. A lot of you guys ask how to not make it greasy after. Just use a good amount of shampoo and don't be afraid to rub it throughout your hair. Then I always like to apply conditioner. The more conditioner for my hair, the better. And then I like to very, very gently brush it out. And this just helps me distribute the conditioner. And I also like to do this in the shower as opposed to after, since I do have wavy, curly hair. Right, and it feels so much softer, smoother. Oh, it's just so nice. I can't wait to see in the comments what you guys think of this one. Don't forget to thumbs up, especially if you made it this far. Follow me on my socials, check out my ebook, the description down below, and I'll see you guys soon for a new one. Mwah.